Hi everyone, here's tip for abstract artists, how to use stencils. So you can use a brush, you can just paint it this way, and that adds your shape. But sometimes I find the paint seeps under there, so what I do is I get one of these craft brushes and you stamp it. And you get more cover that way, and it doesn't go under the edges. And here goes. See how you get a much cleaner edge. So that's the tip of the day for stencils when you want to add lettering or other elements in your paintings. So we'll see you in the next video.